Hi, I'm Siddharthan. When we are working with complex systems with low NPC, it becomes crashes and restart. In rare case industry standard scenario, an SRE has to interrupt and fix it. I didn't just build a dashboard, I built an autonomous agent with human in the loop that lives inside your infrastructure, introducing Sentinal, the SRE with human in the loop. Now we can go with architecture diagram. First, the SRE, the agent will monitors the infrastructure health and emits alerts. We can also emit the alert manually, and the AI powered root cause analysis will be managed by the LLM. Here, the DeepSeek will manage this, and the policy engine which segregates it is low risk or medium and high. If it is low risk, it will auto approve the command, or it is if it is medium or high, it will send the notification to the Slack, and the human or an operator should see the notification and then approve it from the Slack itself. The final result will be approved and fixes in the infrastructure or the system, and it will be verified by. Now I will show you how it works. I am using C advisor, which is used to collect the metrics of the each containers, and node exporter, which is used to collect the system level metrics, and Prometheus, which is used to collect all the metrics and store in it. Now I will show you how it works. First run. And open telemetry is used to trace all the incidents. It is a dashboard which I created, and it shows the real-time CPU usage, memory and disk usage, and the network latency. And I have created a separate file named sandbox, and the space you can see it's around 15 KB. now I am going to run command. Yeah. It will increase the size of the file, and we can see the logs showing. It will detect the file has increased the limit, and it will automatically send a notification to the Slack, and we can approve it from the Slack itself. Yeah, we can got the it can show sandbox disk usage has reached greater than 120 MB, and I can select clear sandbox, which can only be done by the admin, and it also authorized with the API key. When I click the button, you can see it has been authorized with the API key. Now it is executed. Now back to check the file size, you can see it's around 37 MB. Now the threshold has been decreased, and the important thing we can see here is it won't touch the data file, it only touches the cache, logs and the temporary file. Cool. I will show you another demo in which we can see more of the cases. The memory is a problem. We don't know which consumes highest memory. I used it. The threshold amount is 80%. We can see. It's already running. Yeah, it reached 80%. Yeah. Yeah, now we can see it increases the threshold. Now go with the logs. Yeah, it asks for the human approval. Now you can go with the Slack. Yeah, here you can see it increases the high memory usage at 77% system memory. Most of the cases we don't know which increases the memory, but it checks the Docker containers internally the systems, and it says about 6.6% of memory has been get by the Sentinel jailer. Yeah, we can restart the containers in the Slack itself. When you click the Sentinel jailer, we can see. Yeah, it successfully restarted the container, and now we can go with the dashboard and see what's the memory. Yeah, now we can see it's less than 79%. Now we can see the Slack, the action completed, and the log message of the how it is successfully restarted the container. Generally, Prometheus, Sentinel will get the real metrics from Prometheus, and the LM will do the root cause analysis and the policy engine and the execution sandbox fix and the container restarting and the safety. I implemented rollback and snapshot creation also. For the observability, I used Open Telemetry and JS for the distributed tracing and Prometheus for metrics. And security, I implemented API key authentication, role based access. Yeah, for the role based access, there is 3 access: admin and operator and the viewer access. And Sentinel is built on the Motia framework only, using the all 13 core features including cron steps, Python steps for AI analysis, and the crucial event streams for sub-millisecond real-time updates. Unlike standard tools that poll for data, Sentinel pushes infrastructure events to the UI instantly via WebSockets. There is no simulation, it happens all inside the system itself. And thanks to Motia and Kunal Kushwaha to make this opportunity and for this hackathon. Thank you.